Welcome to San Diego. I am David Morris, also known as Royal Navy Yachtmaster. My yachting and ship driving career began when I was a teenager in the United Kingdom, where in the middle of winter I was out there racing little sailboats in howling gales, 40-foot tidal ranges, and I knew that the nautical life was for me. My first job out of high school was as a deckhand on a 42-meter motor yacht, which I joined in Monaco. A couple of years later, I qualified with my captain's license, the Yachtmaster offshore license for power and sail. My first job as a captain was a 60-foot sailboat in Marbella, southern Spain, and shortly after that, I became captain of a 90-foot ketch sailboat, which I took on a diving expedition down the coast of Morocco and out to the Canary Islands. Not content with that, I decided to pursue military professional seafaring training. I applied for and was accepted to Britannia Royal Naval College, the British Naval Academy in Dartmouth, United Kingdom, where I underwent intensive seagoing and seafaring training, beginning in 45-foot twin propeller, displacement, heavy displacement powerboats, and eventually over the years graduating to how I ended my career as the Officer of the Watch 1 Senior Bridge Watchkeeping Officer of HMS Newcastle, a 5,000-ton guided missile destroyer with 50,000 horsepower under the throttles and a top speed of 35 knots. I was trained in radar blind pilotage, visual pilotage, as well as helicopter launch and recovery operations and high-speed counterterrorism maneuvering. So what does that mean to you? What that means to you is if you hire Royal Navy Yachtmaster as your coach on board your own boat, you can invite me to come out and I will stand shoulder to shoulder with you, and I will train you and coach you and impart all this lifetime of knowledge and experience so that you will have more fun, be safer, more relaxed, and just enjoy your boat a lot more, whether it's power or sail. Visit me at royalnavyyachtmaster.com. Let's get out on the water.